Okay, welcome on board to this tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to create and edit a landing page. Okay, many of you might be asking, what is a landing page used for? Now, just the same way we have websites where that belongs to a brand. You go to the website to find more information of their products or their services, and then you can, through that means, purchase their products or apply for your service or apply for whatever they have to offer. So in this class, I'll teach you how to create a one-page website with your smartphone. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to go about it, how to be able to create. I believe this video won't be that long, so you can be able to just watch it in no time. Okay, I'll try to be very explanatory. So what you do, there are different sites to actually create a landing page without having to host or having to apply, without having to pay for a web host, like you pay a company to help you host your website. Okay, so it's going to be free. You don't need to actually get a web designer. It's something you can actually do on your smartphone, be it Android or iPhone. So we have different sites. We have about few sites, but I do have systeme.io. So you can actually go on systeme.io, syteme.io, or blogspot.com or card.co. So I would like to take us today on card.co. Probably in future we'll come about other sites. Okay, so you just go to your Chrome browser. Okay, I'm already on the site, so it is card.co. Pardon me, sorry. Okay, so now you go to your website, card.co. You type card.co. Okay, and then where it comes up, it pops out this way. This is the interface, so it's asking you to actually choose a starting point. You log in with your Gmail. Okay, this is taking me directly to my dashboard. So there's an interface before you get here. So by the time it will ask you to log in. Okay, let's do this here. Ouch. Okay, let me log out so I can log in again. Okay, choose a starting point. Let me log in. My network is not really favorable here, but please just stay with me. Okay, so here you don't have an account, you sign up. So what you sign up, your name, your email address, your password. You can generate your password using your Google manage your account password feature. So, but you can put in any password of your choice. Okay, so after that you sign up. All right, so I have logged in. I have an account, so I'll just quickly log in. So on a free version of card.co, you are free to create about 3 web pages for different purposes of your choice. But if in case you have a job from a client that did a landing page like this, and then you have used all your three spaces, what you do is you can simply create another Gmail account and then use it to create more. So that way you can keep creating a Gmail account to create more landing page of your choice. So if you this is where I worked on my video content creation card.co website. Okay, so you won't see this. So what you do is you tap on plus, like you want to get the samples of landing pages. So it will bring you to this interface. Why is network so bad? Okay, so this is where to bring it now. You see all, choose a starting point. So what you do is that you need to actually filter this. So in this all, you tap on this all, and it gives you different options. You have profile, landing page, form, portfolio, section. So we filter by choosing landing page, because it will give us different formats. So you can choose to build from scratch or make use of a template and then edit it. So the ones without Pro on top is free, so you can actually get it. So you just keep, now if you want to see each size, you can just go on demo, check the one that really fits your taste. Okay, so this is what I used to create my own landing page. This said adding pixel construct. So this is the demo. I will now show you how you can edit. So you don't really need to delete things here. So this is a demo of the landing page I chose, and then I edited it. So I didn't need to start from scratch. Okay, so let's go back to, and then let me show you how you can edit. Okay, it's very easy. So select. So it's loading elements 60%, preparing canvas and the likes. Okay, so this is the landing page. This is where you have to. So let me quickly explain what you need to know about editing a landing page. So you tap on plus. So this plus is where you can add items. Okay, pardon me, the way I set my phone, you can't really see the other side, so I will have to adjust the other side so that you're able to see that. Okay, let me do it this way. So I want to start from explaining. Okay, so I think let me start by explaining. So on this side we have text, image. So if you want to add text, you can simply tap on text, and then to bring a new interface. So a new section where you can apply text or image. I'll show you how to get image from your gallery, but you need to also know that you need photo format. Sometimes your picture can be more than the file size they need. I think they need about 3 MB in size, so you can just actually download photo format. It helps to compress the size of your pictures. And you can also add video. So if you're trying to add video, you need to actually either you upload the video on YouTube or your Google Drive. So they will let it have a link. Let your video probably on Vimeo, probably on Google Drive, probably on YouTube. Just you will paste the link, and they will be the one to help you bring the video into your site. So you can actually upload an audio, gallery, timer, container. So let me quickly go to the other side so I can show you this list buttons. This is where I set my phone. That's why my phone doesn't really show completely everything here. So now we have lists, buttons, links, icon. So you want to upload an icon, yes. You want to get links, table. Probably you want to outline something in the table, divider to separate one content on the sides from the other. So let's just see we have the content and everything. So now this is test. Probably you have prepared your description for your product or your service. You just simply upload. So this now on the text, site title. So now look at this command instruction. So if you want to achieve bold, you have to apply double asterisk. Okay, you want italic, you want your font to look slanting, just a single asterisk on both the left and right, or you put underscore on the left and right. So you see bold, italic, it has 3 asterisks on the right and the left. So you want to underline, double underscore. You want to add link text. You want that particular text to take it to his site. So you can actually use. You see how the brackets they used. So those are commands you can apply, just like as if you're trying to code, but it's not really coding because it's very basic. You understand? So you apply these commands to give you what you want. So this is site title. You can actually, if you want to change that, listen. You have main heading, you have subheading, you have paragraph, you have text, normal text, and then you have site title. So if you check very well, sorry, Now, this is a site title, so these are the text. Probably you want to add a site title to your site, welcome on board, or the name of your brand, and then so you can put your picture. Now, how do you upload picture? You tap on it, then you see upload here. So it takes you to your gallery. You can just simply pick an image and then you upload. So I don't want to waste time here. Okay. So what else do you need to find out here? So all of these things you don't need, you can actually delete them. So how do you delete them? You tap on it. This is an icon that shows an arrow down. Okay. So you can actually change the icon. So what you want, whatever you want. We have different kind of icon that you can actually use to achieve whatever you want to achieve. We have arrow down. This is my network. Pardon me, like my network is not friendly here. Popped out. So we have this icon, arrow first, arrow last, arrow left, arrow right. So these arrows tends to direct your viewers when it comes to your site. Either vision 2, okay, arrow down, arrow first. So by the time you tap on it, it will take you downward. So you can actually welcome back. So you can actually now where you see done, I told you about the copy button and then the delete. So you can tap on delete and then that particular thing will delete. Okay, so I don't need this on my website. I don't need this. So actually control panel, but I don't need it. So you can actually upload. I told you how to upload image, and so that you don't lose what you've been working on from time to time. You see this that looks like a memory card. Remember this that looks like a half circle represents undo, the undo button. Okay, so as I tap on it, it undoes my previous action. Now look at it, and I can redo it. Okay, it deletes. So for this one, it's just for you to like have the website when you try to upload, when you are finished working on the website, and you send the link, the website link to people, and then they tap on it, how it will play. So this is how it plays. Okay, and then this button that looks like a memory card button is to save it. Okay, so don't forget to add a title, then a description is also required, then publish to card.co URL. So it means that by the time you're done your website, what will the domain name will be .card.co. okay, so but all these ones you can actually save it as an offline draft. So probably you are not finished working on it, just so in case you can come back to it, because it's safer to save it as a draft, so that when you come back you can still have all your commands intact. Okay, so publish to a custom domain. Probably you want to add this to your own domain. All these ones are in the pro version. You will need to pay for this to have it. Okay, save as a template. This one, it means that probably it's a nice job you've done and you want people to be able to use your template to do what they are doing, then you can actually save it as a template, but it's in the premium version of card.co. So you can actually put your name, probably like I did, video content creation, then in small letters, and then you don't add other characters aside hyphen, numbers and letters, and it must be at least 3 characters long. That is, it must not just be one character. You have to put it probably XYZ, at least it's 3 or more than that. Do you get? So these 3 buttons is to probably publish, start over, background, page, and the rest, or your dashboard. You want to take it away from this place to your dashboard. Okay, so this is also a picture where you can upload picture. So tap on it. When you tap on it, it brings out the commands you like to input. So you can actually input. So let's come over here. Now, if you let me explain that for a text. Let me explain that for a text. I tap on text. Don't forget, this is a paragraph. Okay, it's different from the site title or main heading or subtitle. Okay, so you see this brush, like I've explained this command. So whatever you want to achieve, you can actually apply this command to it. So tap on this brush icon. So this is the appearance. You can actually use this color code to change the color of the text. Probably you want a white color. You can actually tap on it and then you see the color code. So if you don't know color code, you can actually go on Google to check for color codes, or you can move this icon anywhere as possible. You understand? So it changes the color. Okay, so I don't need that. Okay, So let's come to this is where you can change the font. It's in Inter, as you can see, it's in Inter. So you can actually increase the size, the weight, the line spacing. So depending on the taste, but I prefer working with the template, the font, and the way it is. I prefer working with it, but you can actually tilt it to your own taste. Okay, you can actually tilt it to your own taste. Okay, so when you do that, you can also do that for a picture. Now look at this image container. It actually has a border. Okay, so if I come here now, see this is the width, the height, the position. Okay, the corner rounding. So this is the corner rounding, and this is the border, the added border. So I can actually remove the border, and you see that nothing is there. You see the changes now. See the changes on the text. So you can actually add a border. So now on this one, it has to do with lists. So just get a template and then work with it. Now look at this and edit it. So this is a list. Now look at the name, list. The name here is list. So you just, so if you want to list out things about features about this, you can actually just list it that way. And if you don't want the mark like, you can actually come here to the style. Now you see numbered. Now this is it. So it has changed to numbered. Okay, and then if you want to add a call to action button, and this is a button, probably I want them to come down to my WhatsApp DM, to my Facebook. So let me tap on the edit. Okay, back here. So on the appearance, okay, let me start from this other side of the button. So I tap on it. Now this is this is where you put the link, probably to your WhatsApp. So you generate WhatsApp link like from wa.link like that, okay, or api.com. So I can actually put my URL here. So you don't really need all of this. Come to this part. Probably you want to change the color of the call to action button. So this is the background, this is the hover, this is the icon. You can actually change the color to something like probably red. Actually change it to what you want. Red. Make this for this. Actually change it to red. Icon. It's the icon that you change the color. It's white, so I need something red. So you see, I've actually change the color. So you come to color under appearance and then you change it. Okay, it's changing already. So I can say done for this. Now you can actually change it to the color of your taste. So you just work with the template and then it replicates. So if you want to add in your handles, your social media handles, you can actually delete. If you don't want to put LinkedIn, you can actually delete it. So you can add. Now in adding, you tap on LinkedIn, you put in your LinkedIn, the link that takes you to your LinkedIn profile. Okay, you can actually tap on, I just deleted LinkedIn, Facebook, add them to your link that takes you to your account on Facebook, on Instagram. You can actually change the color too of all these things. Okay, you can actually change the color. You come to the appearance mode and then see the color here, change the color. Probably let me just change the color to something red, so you can all right. I'll see the impact. So I can actually now go and change the background to something. Probably I'm just doing it for you. Can just see. You can actually tilt it to your taste. Okay, though it does not rhyme. The red and the green does not rhyme. You can actually tilt it to your taste. So this is just a simple way of building a landing page. Okay, so in case you need somebody hires you for a service, you can actually do something amazing. Work with templates and then edit it to your taste, and make sure if you're a newbie on this, you can actually show it to somebody that has the experience in building a landing page, so the person can help you to see. So go through to proofread your landing page and to make necessary corrections. Okay, so you don't get better in one day, you keep getting better in practice. So see you in the next YouTube video.